Organizer, sir.
Salesforce
Organizer.
organizer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. So today we'll discuss some basics. Actually, before collections and data types, we have to discuss something called basic conditional statement loop and all. We'll discuss that one and we'll continue tomorrow with the collections and all. So, what is conditional statements? Sir? Anyone knows? What is the meaning of conditional statements?
If the given specified condition is true, it will execute the code.
Correct. If condition is satisfied, it will execute the code. Otherwise, it will come outside the code. Okay, so generally in Salesforce, we have something called Apex or Java. We have if else, if nested if. So these are the conditional statements we have some. Okay. So first we'll discuss if. What is if? Okay. If condition is true, it will go in. These are very basic. I think everyone knows, right? I don't know.
Yes.
If. Okay. And for example, we'll take one basic thing. So I'll take integer marks equals to 35. So I want to print a statement. If condition is true, I want to make it a he's passed, something like that. I want to print it. If condition. If this condition is true, then I want to go inside this one. Okay. If condition is true, then I want to go inside this. So this is if syntax. If condition is true, what will happen, sir? Your logic will execute. Okay. That's we can use that. So now my requirement is if marks is more than 25, I want to print statement for is passed. Tell me, sir. What is the condition? Marks is more than 35. I want to print statement called what, sir? Is passed. Tell me how we can check marks is more than 35 or not.
Assign variable.
Already marks is there right now.
Marks is greater than.
If marks greater than 35.
Right. Less than, greater than, equal to అని తెలుసు కదా అందరికి. Don't know anything. Less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So tell me, sir, condition. What is the condition?
Marks greater than 35.
Greater than 35.
Marks more than 35. If condition is true, I want to print something.
Is passed.
Is passed. And I want to print marks also. And marks is
35. 35.
35.
Marks.
To give the variable name. Yes. We don't know, right, how much he got marks. We cannot do hard code actually. What is the output now?
He is passed on marks.
Passed and marks is 35.
ఇప్పుడు మార్క్స్ మోర్ దెన్ 35 ఉందా ఇక్కడ?
Equal to.
Then this inside it will print or not print?
No, sir.
It won't print. Sir. If condition is satisfied or not satisfied, true or false
Not
condition?
False.
False. If this condition is false, it will not go inside. Right, sir? You can execute the code, it will not do anything. Anything is coming?
No, sir.
Now I'll make it a 75. Condition is true now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This marks is more than 35? Yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is called if condition. Okay. Now my requirement is, if condition is true, execute this logic. If condition is false, execute one more logic. Understand everyone what I'm saying?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
what we can do, sir?
If else.
Difference. Same syntax, sir. Syntax is same. What is the difference between if and this one? If one difference?
Condition is
Else.
false, then we go to else.
Else condition.
If condition is false, it will print else condition. In this if condition now, condition is false, what is the printing, sir, here? If condition is false, anything is printing here?
No.
No.
So it is only if condition. If condition is true, go inside, that's it. Understand, sir?
Yes.
So if I want to, if condition is false, I want to print one more statement. Then what you can do?
Else.
Else statement.
If else statement we can do. Understand, sir?
Yes.
So how we can write, sir? Example, if we take the same example. So everyone complete WT school, sir? Any complete WT schools, everyone?
46.
46, sir. Super, sir. Okay. So if condition is true, go here. Else condition is false. This logic will execute. This is true logic. This is false logic. What is the false logic, sir, now?
System.debug is not passed.
Is failed or something.
It's failed. Right, sir. And marks is same. So now tell me, what is the output we'll get now?
15. Is failed and marks is
Marks is 15.
Then condition is true or false?
False.
False. Then where it will go?
Else
Else
statement.
condition.
Else statement. It will not execute. This logic will not execute. It will directly will go to the else condition. Clear, sir?
Yes.
This 12 marks. For example, I want to check multiple conditions, sir. Not only one condition. Here, how many conditions we can check?
One condition.
One condition only. Condition is true, go here. Here, how many conditions we can check?
Two conditions.
One condition only.
One condition
is
only,
true.
sir.
One condition is true, it will go here. False, it will execute here. Understand?
Yes.
But I want to check this, like this conditions, multiple conditions.
If else if.
Which one you have to use, sir?
If
If
else if.
else if. So for example, we will take one use case. If marks is more than 35, okay, sir, and below 60, grade C. More than 60 and below 75, grade B. More than 75, below 100, grade A. Else, like below 35 is a failed, the last. Understand, everyone?
Yes.
Then in that case, what you can do is multiple conditions you have to check. We have to use a if else if. If condition is true, go here. One more condition I want to check. If this condition is false, I want to check one more condition. Then what you can do, sir? Else if. Okay. Again, if this condition is true, what will happen? This logic. Understand, sir?
Yes.
I want to check one more else kind of condition. If all conditions are false, then what I have to do, sir? Else. That's it. So here also it will execute only one statement, sir. ఈ నాలుగిట్లోన ఏదో ఒకటే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది, అన్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వవు. If it is true, no, these things will not execute. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is true, then that's it. Remaining, it will not execute. Only one statement will execute at a time. అర్థమవుతుందా? Understanding, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
For example, if you take same thing, just you are checking multiple conditions. Previously one condition only. Second one is condition with the else part also. Third one is what, sir? Multiple condition with the else part. If marks is more than 35, and how we can answer?
And 2 times.
And
This one is called and. Understand, sir?
yes.
If you like this, if this is and, what is this?
Equal.
Equalizing.
Not
Not-
equal.
Not
R,
equal.
Not
sir.
R.
No,
sir.
R.
Or this one R. Okay.
Okay.
This is equal. This is what?
Equal.
Double equal to, sir. We have one equal or double equal to?
Double equal to.
This is double equal to means comparing. If you use a single equal to means what, sir? Assignment. Assigning data. If you use double equal to means what?
Comparing.
Comparing two values. If you want to compare two values, then we can use like this. So you can understand going forward this. Okay. So if marks is more than 35 and other condition what's that?
Less than.
Less than 65, right?
Hmm.
Is passed and
Grade is.
grade A and marks is something. Okay. What is
Like
another condition?
Grade C, sir, or grade A?
Yeah, you can put grade C. What is the second condition, sir?
Marks less than 60. Grade.
Greater than 65, less than 7.
Less than 80.
Else if condition, right?
Hmm.
Mark is more than 65. Below
80.
70, 80, no? Oh, 80. What is the grade, sir?
B.
Grade B.
Is a grade. Okay. What is the other condition, sir?
Less than 80.
More
Greater
than 80.
Less than 100.
No. More than 80, below 100. Then what we can call, sir?
A.
Yeah. If all conditions are false, idi true avale, idi true avale, idi true avale, then what will happen?
Is failed else.
Else condition will go automatically. If anyone condition will execute, fine. If anything is not executed, what will happen, sir?
Will directly go to else state.
Else state. So now tell me where it will go. Which state? First statement is true or false?
False.
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 More than 65 and below 80.
False.
False.
This one.
True.
True, sir.
So then this will execute. This it will execute. It will check or not check it. This one.
No.
No.
No. Once it is true, then it's a, that's it. It will check. For example, assume, sir, I am giving 45. Condition is true or false?
True, sir.
Then it will check other things or not check.
No. Not check.
No, won't check. Okay, only one condition is satisfied. Let's go that column. Following everyone?
Yes.
Sir.
Only if one condition is satisfied, that's it. That condition only will execute. Okay. Now what is the output, sir? You will get now output 85.
Grade A.
Is pass and grade
Grade.
It's pass and then
Grade.
yes, sir. So this is called what, sir?
If else.
Yes, well, if you want with multiple conditions. And we have one more thing. Nested if. In name level, sir, nested if and end and aim, sir, nested if and nested and sir, mamulga. What is the meaning of nested? Nested and end mamulga. Sir?
If inside the
If inside the if is nothing but what, sir?
nested if.
Nested if. Okay. So first example, we'll take example. Syntax first. We'll declare syntax. This is one condition, right?
Yes.
If condition is true, what will happen, sir? E logic execute ouతుంది. Yes or no?
Yes.
Example, inside I want to check one more condition. So where is this if? Second if ఎక్కడ ఉంది మనకు?
Inside.
First if. Inside of first if. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. This is called what's that? Nested. Nested అంటే even you can see in CPQ also something we have called nested bundle. What is the nested bundle means? Bundle inside a bundle. Nested అంటే ఏంటంటే నార్మల్ గా nested component. Or what is the meaning of nested అంటే? Component inside one more component. అర్థమవుతుందా? What is meaning of nested?
Yes, sir.
So similar nested if అంటే sir, if condition inside one more if condition is there, that is called what sir?
Nested if.
Not only one if condition, you can put multiple, whatever it may be. అర్థమవుతుందా? This is called what sir?
Nested if.
Nested.
If this condition is true, this logic will execute. Again, second condition also true, this will execute. Again, this condition also 3, it will execute. Understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Take one example now. Okay, this example will take is, we'll take same thing, marks. Okay. What we can do is, okay, so if marks is more than 35, okay, I want to print a bicycle, sir. అర్థమవుతుందా? I will give a bicycle. If marks is more than 35 and more than 65, more than 60 వచ్చాయి అనుకోండి, I want to give bicycle plus bike both. Marks are more than 75, I want to print bicycle, bike and car. Tell me, what is the first condition?
Marks are greater than
Marks is more than
35
what?
condition.
And
Below.
marks
Marks less than
60.
65.
60. Okay.
System dot
debug.
is passed.
He will get bicycle.
First, he will get a
Bicycle.
basket. Okay, sir. Next.
If marks
Is
greater than 60,
60.
If marks is more than 60,
Less than.
Less than 75.
will get bicycle and bike.
బైక్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది పాస్ ఈ ఎగ్జామ్ ఇక్కడ దాకా వస్తే ఇక్కడ దాకా స్టాప్ అయిపోతుంది. More than 70 if you are getting, you will get this one also.
Yes, sir.
Then
And if marks
Greater than 75.
greater than 75,
one more inside if correct, sir. If inside if one more if. Tell me, madam.
if
More than?
marks greater than 75,
75.
less than 100, he's passed and he will get car.
Right. So now what he will get?
He will get bikes. No, so he will get car.
So which statement will execute now? This is also true.
Yes.
This is also true.
Yes.
Sir.
This is also true.
He will get 3.
You will
No.
get 3. Is it true, Kala, madam? Why?
Yes.
So all are 3, right, madam? All are true. So you will get everything. You will get all the conditions are satisfied. If inside if everything is satisfied, it will go. You will get all the logics will execute one by one. But all will execute all together. So what is the condition, madam? First condition is true or false?
True, sir.
True.
At true, madam. Marks is
No, sir. Marks is less than 60.
60. What's the
Yes,
number
sir.
I am giving here?
85, sir.
But then if it is not true, it will go inside.
No.
No,
No.
if condition is true, then only it will go inside. Tell me, madam, then what we can do?
Marks greater than
Greater than 85.
Remove this condition, madam. With అవసరమా మనకు? Now condition is true.
Yes.
So now it is true.
Yes.
Now it is true.
Pass.
Any true or right? More than 35?
Yes.
sir.
More than 60?
Yes.
More than 75?
Yes.
Then like this you can use. No need to, if you put a and condition and less than 60 means first condition itself it is failed. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
So that's why just you can put simple conditions like this. So now you will get everything. Right, sir? You will get bicycle, bike, and a car.
Car.
Understand what is the nested if?
Yes.
Yes,
If
sir.
inside it is nothing but what's the nested if. So if you want to do any conditional things, you can use the if else statement only. If else, nested if, all these things we can use. Okay, sir. So then we have something called loops. What is loop? What loop, sir?
Instead.
So if you want to iterate a list of elements, అర్థమవుతుందా? If you want to iterate అంటే go inside again and again until the condition is satisfied. You can go for the loops. Okay. So there are general 4 loops we have, sir. One is a while loop. And the second one is do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. So normally we can use these two. Okay, this two is not required actually, but we'll explain high level. That's it. So what is while loop? Okay. So syntax ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే okay. If you take any loop, sir, okay, if you take any these 3 loops, there are 3 parts. మనం ఏ లూప్ తీసుకున్నా కూడా మనకు 3 parts ఉంటాయి. Okay, just leave about this one. These 3 loops I'm talking. Okay, what was those 3 components is the one is initialization. Second one is condition. Third one is increment or
decrement.
మీరు ఏ లూప్ తీసుకున్నా కూడా ఈ 3 కామన్. ఈ 3 ఉంటే దాని లూప్ అంటారు సార్. ఈ ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఈచ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ కంప్లీట్లీ. These 3 loops I'm talking about. What is initialization, sir? What is initialization?
Initializing the variable.
Giving the value to the
అంతే సార్, వాల్యూ అసైన్ చేస్తే దాన్ని ఇనిషియలైజేషన్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంటీజర్ i. ఇదేం సార్ i అనేది?
integer.
వేరియబుల్, రైట్?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of initialization?
I is equal to value.
I is equal to some value, either 25 or 35 say. This is called initialization. అంటే కదా సార్, డేటా టైప్, వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ and assign the data. If you say data that is correct, but what's it? Initialization. Okay. For example, what is the number I will give, sir? 0. What is the condition, sir? Just now you have checked if condition, all these things, right?
5 greater than
Like this. Okay. So for example, I'll take while loop syntax, while condition true, go inside. Do the logic. Okay. Logic means what, sir? Increment, anything. Increment or decrement, whatever you want, we can do. So this is a first we have to do initialize the variable, initialization, then
Condition.
condition. True, do this. Initialization, condition, and increment are
Decrement.
okay. For example, I want to print 1 to 100 numbers, 1 to 10 numbers. Then what is the initial value you have to take? Initial value we can take equal to 0. Starting with y, sir. I want to starting with 0. So then we have to take what's the destination number? 0. So till where you want to print, madam? ఎక్కడ దాకా ప్రింట్ చేయాలి నంబర్స్ మీరు?
100 up to 100.
Then how we can check condition? This is installation. What is the condition? I'll take for example 20 only. I less than
20.
Y less than
20. I less than 20. I less than 20 or not now? 20 కంటే చిన్నదా పెద్దదా ఇప్పుడు? చిన్నదే కదా సార్? Yes or no? I is below 20?
Yes.
Then what I have to do, madam? I want increment number. How many numbers I want increment? Directly I can increase, I will go to 0 to 5, 10 like that, or how many numbers I want increase now? One number. One number I want increase, sir. Okay, how we can increase? Current value is 0. How we can increase 1? Is
I plus.
there are two options.
I
You can
plus
use I
plus.
equals to I plus
I
1.
plus 1.
So what is I value, sir, now?
0.
First 0 ఉంది, 0 ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. Then 1. 0 plus 1 how much?
1.
Now I is equal to answer now?
1.
1. So 1 is below 20?
Yes.
Okay, come here. Then 1 plus 1. ఎంత?
2.
So now I లో 2 ఉంటుంది. Now 2 is below 20?
Yes.
Now 2 plus 1. Again ఎంత?
3.
3.
అట్లా till where, how many times it will loop, sir?
20 times.
20 times. Until this condition is false. ఈ condition false అయినంత వరకు తిరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది అది. Everyone following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So numbers are, so I can just give a plus I. అంతే కదా సార్? Already we are doing incrementation here. You can use this one also fine, sir. Or I plus plus. ఈ రెండు syntax సేమే సార్. ఇలా అయినా you are increasing how many numbers?
One number.
I plus plus అంటే
1 number.
one number. Both are same. Okay, increase any one. I want to increase 2, sir, example. Like I want to print like a 2, 4, 6 like that. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి?
Plus
I
2.
plus 2.
That's it. You can use a here plus 2. Okay. So I'll just go this code now. Tell me, sir, here where is installation, where is condition, where is incrementation?
Integer I equal to 0 is initialization. I less than 20 is condition. I equal to I plus 1 is increment.
Incrementation. Right, madam? Tell me. Now if I want to print only 2, 5, 4, 6 like that, and then answer?
Yes, sir.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is coming, sir?
Yes.
So that is based on the requirement. You want to increase 1 number, 2 numbers, or whatever it may be. Now tell me, sir, I want to print same numbers in reverse order. Like a 22, 1. ఏం చేయాలి సార్ ఇప్పుడు? రివర్స్ లో ప్రింట్ చేయాలి. 20 నుంచి రివర్స్ 20, 19, 18, 17. So what is the starting number? 20 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి 0 పెట్టాం సార్. నువ్వు ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి?
20.
జస్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి స్టార్టింగ్ నంబర్. దెన్
I
ఇంక్రిమెంట్ పోదా డిక్రిమెంట్ రావాలా?
increment
Increment. So till where?
Till 0.
0.
So how we can give is I
Greater than 0.
greater than 0.
0.
Okay. Now we have to increase or decrease.
Decrease.
Increment.
So I equal to I minus 2 or 1. Man. We'll go with 1 now. Okay. What is the first number, sir?
20.
20 is more than 0.
Yes.
Yes.
So ఏమైతుంది 20 minus 1. ఏముంటుంది సార్ ఫస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూ ఐలో 19 ఉంటుంది.
19.
19 more than 0.
Yes.
అట్లా సో ఇట్ విల్ గో టిల్ 0.
0.
Right, sir? 19, 18, 17, everything is coming till 0.
0.
If you want to get 20 also, what we can do, sir? We have to use the
Equal.
21 you have to take. Or equal. 21 man. 21, so it will take like this. Okay. Okay. Understand, sir? In initialization, condition, increment or decrement. మీరు ఏ లూప్ తీసుకున్నా ఈ మూడే ఉంటాయి. If you take a while loop, do while loop or for loop, these three will be there. This is called while loop syntax, sir. So then what is another one, sir, we have?
Do while.
Do while loop. What is the difference between while loop and do while loop? We'll see. So here, first we are doing checking condition. Em chestunam? Then increment or decrement. While loop ఏం చేస్తాం, sir? First checking condition. Then what we are doing?
Increment.
Decrement. But in do while loop, what we can do is, first we can do the
Increment.
ఇన్సులేషన్ కామన్ మేడం. ఇన్సులేషన్ రెండింటికి కామన్ ఉంటుంది, ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది. అండర్స్టాండ్?
Yes.
దీంట్లో ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ విల్ డూ ద లాజిక్. ఏం సార్? ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ఆర్ డిక్రిమెంట్. దెన్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్, సార్? విల్ చెక్ ద కండిషన్. అంటే ఒక నంబర్ ప్రింట్ అయిపోతుంది ఫస్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా. అండర్స్టాండ్ ఎవరీవన్? దెన్ విల్ చెక్ ద కండిషన్, సార్. డూ వైల్ లూప్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ సేమ్ సింటాక్స్ నౌ. Tell me, sir, I want to use the same syntax with a do while loop. Okay, for example, you can take same thing, do while loop. So first what you have to do, sir? Do logic. Initialization common. First what you have to do? Do. I mean increment or decrement, do that one. Then what you have to do?
While.
Check the condition. Right, madam? First doing the logic, then checking the condition. Same thing, you will get a same output. Line number 1 to 6, column 1, expecting colon now. Here. Right, sir?
Yes.
Same thing? Yes or no? They are incrementing, right? Incrementing, right? 5 plus 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. So main difference is, first it will do the logic, then this condition will check it. Understand, sir?
Yes.
So that is the difference. Now most 90% of people will use a for loop in a Salesforce Apex, sir. What is the for loop? For loop also same, but problem ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. ఇది ఒక లైన్ లో ఉంది, దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ వన్ మోర్ లైన్, దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ లైన్. మొత్తం 3 lines వస్తాయి ఇక్కడ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? All 3 lines will come in a single line now in the for loop. So first which one comes here? Initialization. What is the second one will come, sir?
Condition.
What is the third one, sir?
Increment.
That's it. Here you can print the logic. Understand?
Yes.
Same, sir. ఈ మూడు సేమే, బట్ ఏంటంటే some just like 3 components we have to use based on the requirement. Now tell me, I want to print 1 to 100. Using for loop.
For equals to
What is the first condition, madam?
initialization of the variable.
How we can initialize, madam?
I
I equals to
0.
What is the second part, madam?
Condition.
condition.
Name, madam?
I less
I equals to
I greater till 100.
Then, madam?
I plus plus.
Okay. 3 parts is done here. Initialization, condition,
Condition and increment.
decrement, whatever it may be. Okay. Based on the requirement. So I'll print the numbers. System dot debug. Numbers are plus by
greater than 100. Less than 100. Less than
so high more than 100 ఉందా సార్ ఇక్కడ
no.
then
less
ఇక్కడ
than
ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయింది కదా సార్ ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ బిలో 100 I
Yes.
yes best answer 0 1 to 100 you can see. Okay. So I want to print now only even numbers, madam.
plus
I want
I plus
Huh?
2.
Yeah, plus 2. I want to go one by one numbers, sir. Like directly, I don't want to print directly all the like I plus 2. What is my requirement? I want to check first of all each number is a even number or not. Normally even number or not, how we can check, sir?
Conditions, if condition.
What is the condition, madam? Even number at least if a remainder equal to 0,
Yeah, divided by 2.
if we do the divide by 2, remainder is 0, then what is the meaning of that number, madam?
Even number.
Even number. If remainder is not equal to 0, what is the meaning, madam? That one?
Odd number.
Odd number.
Odd number. So tell me now, madam, how we can check condition now?
If
Conditions ఎలా check చేస్తాం? Which statements we can use?
Yes.
If only, correct?
Yes.
ఇంకేమైనా ఉందా సార్? ఇఫ్ కాకుండా స్విచ్ అవి వాడచ్చు కానీ బట్ దోస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. We can go for if. చెప్పండి కండిషన్ ఏంటి మేడం?
If I divided by
I
0.
okay
divided by 2.
divided by
2.
2.
Remainder is 0.
So generally if you want to get a directly remainder, there is some functions. Okay. Apex, we have something called modulus operator. You can go all the see other things. What are the functions we have in the maths? Apps return the absolute value of specified decimal. Okay. Similarly, we have something called floor, room, max number. Integer, you can pass two digit here. Which one is maximum number you want to know? Because a max function, right? Similarly, here we have okay, we can pass like this, madam. Math dot mod. If you pass 2 digits, okay, if you get the returns the remainder here. Integer 1, value 1, divided by which one, madam? Value 2.
Value.
Then you will get a remainder automatically. Remainder. If this remainder equal to 0 means what?
Even.
Even number, right, madam? So if you click on this one. So here you can see math dot mod 12, 2. So 12 divided by 2, what will get remainder?
0.
0. So like this, we can do the, you can just go through this one doc. Also, you can see some basic functions. Okay, you can do these functions also. Okay, just practice 2 or 3 examples.
Yes.
Okay. So math.mathulets. Tell me now how we can put our condition now. Here. Math.mod. What is the first number? What's the first number? I.
2.
I comma 2. So whatever the first one is what, madam? Which value you want to divide by with 2? Ardhamatunda?
Yes.
This is divided by, this is the which number? It equal to 0. Means what? Remainder 0 వచ్చిందంటే దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటి?
Condition exists.
Even
Even
number.
number.
It is a even number, right, madam?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is this double equal to అంటే ఏంటి?
Compare.
Comparison.
Comparing.
ఇక్కడ ఇది 0, ఇది 0. రెండు zeros మీనింగ్ ఏంటి సార్? If both are 0, what is the meaning?
Condition is true.
Condition is true.
Then do the logic. System.debug. Double equal to అంటే కంపేర్ చేస్తుంది సార్. సింగిల్ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే
Assigning.
assignment, assign the value. Even numbers are, what you can do? You can print this same I only. I don't want this statement now. What is the first number will come, sir? 1, 0. So 0 comma divided by 2. 0 is same both even and odd number, right, madam?
Yes.
అంతేనా కాదు సార్? సరి ప్రధాన సంఖ్యనా? సరి ప్రధాన సంఖ్యనా?
Both with conditions.
Zero, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Right, sir? All even numbers are coming.
Yes, sir.
If I want to print only odd numbers,
You can put I comma 1.
1.
sorry, sir.
Compare, instead of 0, we can give 1.
Else condition.
Else condition.
ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు అంటే ఏంటి సార్? ఇక్కడ 0, ఇక్కడ 0 రెండు మ్యాచ్ అయితే ఈవెన్ నంబర్.
Yes.
If 0 రాలేదంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి?
Odd number.
Odd number.
If you can give not equal to also.
Not
This is
equal
called what, madam? Not equal
Not
to.
equal.
Then which numbers it will print, madam?
odd number.
If ఇక్కడ 0, ఇక్కడ 0 రెండు కాకుండా ఉంటే అప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్, మేడం? ఆడ్ నంబర్. అర్థమవుతుంది సార్? ఎవరైనా ఫాలోయింగ్ వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్?
Yes, sir.
Right? 1, 3, 5, 7, all these are coming. Both are equal. 0 వచ్చిందంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 వచ్చిందంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? 0 రాలేదంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? ఆడ్ నెంబర్. ఈ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి నాట్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అయితే అది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అని. ఈ వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే రెండు సేమ్ అయితే కింద
Even number.
అండర్స్టాండ్ సార్?
Yes.
This is called for loop. Understand, sir?
Yes.
Then last one is very important. For each loop. When we'll go for each loop? Okay, sir. As the name it is saying, what is the meaning, sir? Each and 10, sir. Mal for loop. When will go for loop, sir? If you want to go list of elements, then we'll go for the for loop. Each and 10. I want to touch each element one by one. I want to print. Then we'll go for what, sir? Each for each loop. Okay. So here syntax etla untadante. How we fill the syntax is. Okay. So I think everyone knows, right? Normal ga. What is the list, sir?
Stop variables.
I'm asking about list, madam. Yesterday we discussed, right? Previous class collections.
Similar elements.
Collection of similar elements.
Similar elements.
Collection of similar elements, right, madam?
Ordered.
I want to store some movie names, madam. Tell me which list we can take. Movie name is which data type?
Strings.
String.
Tell me syntax. Tell me, madam. Are
List. String. String.
String.
list,
String.
string,
Movie name.
Movie name,
List movies.
movies
List of movies equal to
equals to new
List string.
Open parenthesis.
how many elements are there in this list now? ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఎన్ని మూవీస్ ఉన్నాయి లిస్ట్ లో ఇప్పుడు?
No
How
elements.
many movies? No elements, sir. Just we have declared ante. How we can add default elements?
In bracket.
Here we have to open bracket. Tell me some sample names. And parent name is Bahubali, KGF, Wells. What else we have, sir?
RRR.
Then
Plus
Vikram.
So like this list you have some default movies. Okay. How we can add elements normal? How we can add elements to the list?
Variable name.
List team and don't add.
Add method we can use, right, madam? Add method you can use, or set method, right? You can use, or directly can add method mainly we can use here. Any new movie, other movies here? One more Pan India movie, sir. Now, what is that, sir? Karthikeya is Pan India movie or not? Inpistunna voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Karthikeya 2. Any other movies, madam? Bunny plans over. Chalo. Now this is a list, madam. I want to print Bahubali. Bahubali at the print share first index. How we can print, madam?
List movies.
list movies.
First one answer.
0.
So what will come now in the 0?
Bahubali.
Okay. Then I want to print this KGF.
1.
1.
Index movie.
I want to print triple R.
2.
For example, I have like this 100 movies. And then I say
100.
Then how many times you have read this statement?
100 times.
100 times.
100 times you have to write. Yes or no?
Yes.
So I don't want to write 100 times. I want to go each element one by one automatically. I want to go each element one by one. In the list, maybe 1 element or 5 elements or 10 elements or 100 elements. I want to go one by one. Then we can use which one, sir? For each loop. Normally we can use for loop, for each loop. Sometimes we can use for loop also. That is also I will use. How we can use both, we'll see now. So first we'll see the. Now tell me, sir, for using for loop, how many how we can print this one? I want to go one by one element. Using for loop, how we can just think at a check Japandi instead of it. For loop plant is a 3 parts and die. What are the 3 points? 3 points. Initialization, condition, and what else?
Increment.
Initialization means starting with which number? 0. So integer I equals to
0.
So ఈ లిస్ట్ లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ అని చెప్పి మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. మామూలుగా ప్రీవియస్లీ ఎన్ని నంబర్స్ ప్రింట్ చేయాలి మనము? till 100. ఓకే, 100 వరకు పోవాలి కాబట్టి 100 పెట్టాము ఇక్కడ. మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఈ లిస్ట్ లో ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? హౌ వి కెన్ గెట్ ద కౌంట్?
Size.
Correct. Which one, sir? Size method. So size method లో మనకి ఏమొస్తాయి సార్? How many elements are there in the list? You will get that list elements dot size. మనకు అన్ని కావాలి కదా సార్, అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ పోవాలి కదా. ఎస్ సార్ నో? So you will get a total count now. Then You want to go one by one, right?
I plus plus.
I plus సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఐలో ఏమొస్తుంది సార్ ఇక్కడ కౌంట్ ఎంత వరకు ఉంటే అంతవరకు వెళ్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. వాట్ ఇస్ ద నంబర్ యు విల్ గెట్ హియర్? 7. I less than equal to 7. True. First, what is the 0? I less than equal to 7. True or false?
True.
Then I plus plus. Okay. Then what we can do, sir? In the I, what will get first one?
Zero.
0.
We have to go with 0 also. I think we have to use 0 also, madam. If you put 0 less than equal to 0, we'll consider, I guess. System not debug. New movies are what I can do now? A list of movies. I'll pass here I. I is our first value.
0.
0 is below this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then what will come here first? First 0 will come.
Bahubali.
Then 0 plus 1. Then next 1 will come here. Plus plus 1 is below 7.
Yes.
Like this, you can go each element. Normal for loop also you can go each element. List index out of bound 7. So I think here we need to start with the 1 only. No? Instead of sorry, we don't want to equal to, sir. We have to use a, if you put equal again it will come 7 plus 1. There is no other movie after 7, right? That's why we'll take this. KGF triple or Liger Vikram. Bahubali is not coming. Why is it? Bahubali starting with 0, na?
I equals to 1 with
I equals to
That's
0.
1 talk of 0 is called, sir.
Zero.
Correct. Now we'll get a Bahubali. Clear, sir?
yes.
Previously ఏం చేసాం సార్ మనం అన్ని ప్రింట్ చేయాలంటే 100 నేమ్స్ ఉంటే 100 or 1000 వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి విత్ అ సింగిల్ వన్ లూప్ యూ కెన్ గో ఈచ్ మూవీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes.
Now tell me, sir, here I want to put one condition. If movie is Vikram, I want to print statement equal to Rolex. How we can check the condition?
Index బట్టే కదా సార్.
చెప్పండి సార్. Movie name is Vikram. I want to print, sir. In movie Surya is there, is a Rolex అని చెప్పి ప్రింట్ చేయాలి.
For
If I equals to index
List of
of
movies
4.
ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆఫ్నెస్ సార్. లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మూవీ ఐ. ఇవన్నీ మూవీ నేమ్సే కదా ఇక్కడ వచ్చేది. 0 1 2 3 4 మూవీ నేమ్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఇవన్నీ ఇక్కడ లిస్ట్, ఇవన్నీ మూవీ నేమ్ మేడం. దిస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్, ఇదే కదా లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ మూవీస్ అయ్యే కదా ఇది. బాహుబలి, కేజీఎఫ్. నౌ విచ్ మూవీ?
Vikram.
Then what you want to print?
system dot Rolex.
System dot debug Rolex. Is a Surya. Surya is a Rolex. ఏదో Surya is a Rolex. In a Vikram movie. Understand, sir?
Yes.
అంతే సార్. జస్ట్ హౌ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్, ఫర్ లూప్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తే తెలిస్తే యూ నో కోడింగ్. దట్స్ ఇట్. అంత పెద్దగా ఏమి కోడింగ్, మనం జస్ట్ థింక్ చేసి చేయాలి అంతే. ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ ఆటోమేటికల్లీ. ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ మోర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, మోర్ ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్, కంపారిజన్స్ అవి చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. So after Vikram, what is happening, sir? Which statement is coming here? Line number 9 here. This is coming only for the Vikram movie. Understand, sir?
Yes.
So this is called what, sir? For each loop or for loop?
For loop.
For loop only, madam. Using for loop also, you can go one by one element like this. Take the list, check the size, use the index number, go one by one. Itla cheyochu. Same thing we can achieve with the which one, madam? For each also. So for each is very simple compared to this one. I want to go one by one element, right? Simple. So then syntax how it will be there is for loop data type, madam. Which data type you want to go one by one? Variable name and the list name. That's it. So what is the list name, sir, here?
List
List
of
of movies.
List of movies. What's the variable name you can give?
I.
Anything you can give I, for example. Which data type this is? In the list of movies, here data type only.
String.
That's it. If I want to print all the elements, now what you can do?
system dot data.
What you can do? Movies are just you can give a I. That's it. Index, all these things not required. Automatically, in this list, whatever the names are there, it will come one by one here. One by one, one by one, one by one. అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
So for each loop is a good option if you want to go iterate one by one element instead of for loop. Understand, sir? Same names are coming. అంతే కదా? You don't need to put a condition. So this is heavy code. మనకి code ఎక్కువ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది కొద్దిగా ఇక్కడ and conditions and all. So this is a good approach to go each record. Understand, sir?
Yes.
This is called for each loop. Okay. So these are all loops, sir. While loop, do while loop, for each loop, all these things, and conditional statements and all those things. Okay. So now we can go for collections. Already we know, right? List, set. List we know already. Set we have not discussed it. Set we'll discuss tomorrow. Now you can share your screen now. Jayashree or anyone, you can explain your topics.
Yes.